This is Kilowatt, Charlie 5, Papa, X-ray whiskey, Kilo Charlie 5, Papa, X-ray whiskey.
Kilo Charlie 5 Papa X-ray whiskey, Roger.
X-ray whiskey, Roger.
Romeo Echo Zulu. From North Carolina, QSL.
Roger, Roger. Well, I don't know about 5 watts from North Carolina. You're kind of getting hammered by some other stations, somebody tuning up, and 2 or 3 other stations calling. But what is the name there in North Carolina?
What is the name there in North Carolina?
The name is Tony, Tango Oscar November Yankee, Tango Oscar November Yankee. And I put out 5 watts right now out of a Sierra Golf Charlie. QSL.
Roger, Tony. Well, I'm copying you on the Georgia SDR, so you're doing a good job there from North Carolina down in towards Georgia, Roger.
A good job there from North Carolina down in towards Georgia, Roger.
Roger, Roger. Appreciate the contact. It's I've got a G5RV antenna kind of pointed northeast towards New York City, around the globe that way. I've worked several stations in the UK and such with 5 watts, but have never had an actual recording signal report in USL.
Roger, Tony. Well, if you go to YouTube and do a call in a search for Kilo Charlie 9 Victor Kilo Victor, that will take you to our Qso-Vlog page. And on that page, you'll be looking for an entity called My Group Aircheck 5-15-20, today's date. My Group Aircheck 5-15-20, Roger.
20, today's date. My Group Aircheck 5-15-20, Roger.
Roger, 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 Roger. Thanks for the QSO.
Roger, Roger, 23's that way. Well, we've got, 2 minutes left. If somebody wanted to air check, come ahead. This is KC9VKV listening.